You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is t greater than 8.4444. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by 2.7. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is t greater than 8.4444.